Hello friends, now in this problem evaluating the double integral by changing the order of double integral. Here the given double integral is the limit here 0 to 1 and y square to 2 minus y x y dy dx. So first we can see this double integral can be written as, since this is the in the right hand side, this is the limit of the function of y, so this is the limit of x, so x going from y square to 2 minus y, and in the left hand side this is the limit of y, so y going from 0 to 1. From the given double integral we can see here, since the right hand side limit in the right hand side is the function of y, so this is the limit of x, so x going from y square to x is equal to 2 minus y. In the left hand side this is the limit of y, so y going from 0 to 1. So here integration is bounded by x equal to y square to x equal to 2 minus y and y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. We can see here in this double integral on the right hand side the limit is function of y, so this is the limit of x, so x going from y square to 2 minus y. Therefore in the left hand side this is the limit of y, so y going from 0 to 1. So the given double integral is bounded by x equal to y square to x equal to 2 minus y and y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. Now we first draw the figure. First we draw the figure. Suppose this is the y-axis vertical line and this is the x-axis here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis and this is the origin here, that is suppose O. Here horizontal line, this is x-axis, vertical line, this is y-axis and O is the origin. We can see here y is equal to 0 is the x-axis. Y is equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis, we know that, and y is equal to 1 is the equation of line which is parallel to x-axis at one distance. So this is the line y is equal to 1 and this point, suppose this is the coordinate of this point is 0 comma 1, because we know that on y-axis value of x is 0 and y is equal to 1, since this distance is 1 here, so this point is 0 comma 1. Now we know that the coordinate of this point O origin is 0 0. So first we draw here y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, this is the x-axis, and y is equal to 1, this is the line which is parallel to x-axis at one distance. आप देख सकते हैं y is equal to 0 ये उस लाइन की इक्वेशन है, ये x-axis की इक्वेशन है, और y is equal to 1 is the equation of the line which is parallel to x-axis at one distance from x-axis. So this point is 0 comma 1, because on y-axis the x coordinate is 0 and this distance is 1, so the coordinate of this point is 0 comma 1. Now we can see this is x equal to y square, so this can be written as y square equal to x. Now compare this by y square equal to 4x, we get 4a equal to 1, so a is equal to 1 by 4. So focus of this parabola is a comma 0, that is 1 by 4 comma 0. This is the right handed parabola whose focus at 1 by 4 comma 0 and vertex 0 0. Since we know that y square is equal to x. This is the right handed parabola whose vertex at origin and whose focus is a comma 0, and the value of a is 1 by 4 comma 0 here. So we draw here right handed parabola whose vertex at 1 by 4 comma 0. Suppose this distance is 1 here, this point is 1 comma 0, and this distance is 1 by 4 comma 0. So the vertex is here, focus is here, S is the focus of the parabola. Now we find out the given parabola intercepts y is equal to 1 at which point. So point of intersection of y is equal to 1 and y square is equal to 1 x is, when we substitute y equal to 1 here, we get x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 square, that is 1. So the point of intersection is 1 comma 1 here. Here 1 comma 1 is the point of intersection of the parabola y square is equal to x and y is equal to 1. So this is the point 1 comma 1. Now we draw here the parabola. Suppose this is the right handed parabola. Suppose this is the right handed parabola, y square is equal to x, which intersects, suppose this point is a here, and we draw perpendicular. This is, suppose B point is 1 comma 0, because on x axis value of y is 0 and this distance is 1, so 1 comma 0 is the point here. Now we can see the given line is here x equal to 2 minus y. So 2 minus y can be written as x plus y is equal to 2. So this line written as x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. This is the intercept form of a line which makes intercepts 2 comma 2 on x and y axis. Suppose this is the x axis and this is the line y is equal to 0. Suppose this is the point 2 comma 0. So this line and this is the point also 0 comma 2. So the given line makes intercept 2 comma 2 on x axis and y axis. Here the given line is x equal to 2 minus y, which can be written as x plus y is equal to 2. So this can be written as x upon 2 plus y upon 2 is equal to 1. This is the intercept form of line. Intercept form of line which makes intercept, x intercept is here, x intercept is 2 here, and y intercept is also 2. Now we find the point of intersection of this line with y is equal to 1. So point of intersection of line y is equal to 1 and x equal to 2 minus y. When we substitute y equal to 1 in this, x equal to 2 minus 1, so this is 1. So point of intersection of both line y is equal to 1 and x equal to 2 minus y is 1 comma 1. So the line this is the line here. This point is 2 comma 0. Suppose this point is C here. Now you can see that here the given region is y is equal to 0, this is the x-axis, y is equal to 1, this is the line which is parallel to x-axis at one distance from x-axis, and x equal to y square, this is the parabola, and x equal to 2 minus y, this is the line. So the given region is here, this is the given region here, this is the given region here, AOAC, this is the given region. Now here first we have to change the order of double integral. We know that if we change the order of the double integral, if the right hand limit is function of y, so we take strip parallel to y axis. If we change the order of this double integral, if the limit on the right integral is function of y, so when we change the order of this double integral, we take strip parallel to y axis. So we can see here the region OACBO. Here in the region OACBO, this region is divided into two parts, OAB and ACB. Here the region OACB is divided into two parts, OABO and ACBA. So when we change the order of this double integral, we take parallel strips to the y-axis. Here we take strip, this suppose PQ strip, and here we take another strip LM, this both strips parallel to y-axis. When we change the order of this double integral, the double integral can be written as, here when we change the order of double integral, the right hand side limit is now, this is the limit of y, and in the left hand side this is the limit of x. When we change the order of this double integral, the limit on the right hand side will become limit of y, and in the left hand side limit of x. So in the region OABO, we can see this PQ strip goes from O point to B. When this PQ strip goes from O point to B, this Q moves from 0 to 1. So the limit of x is here 0 to 1. You can see here this red strip PQ moves from O point to B point. This covers distance 0 to 1 on x-axis. And the lower end of this PQ strip is Q, which is on x-axis. So the lower limit of y is equal to 0 here. And the upper end of this PQ strip P lies on the parabola when this goes from O to B point. आप देख सकते हैं, you can see here this upper end P goes from O to B. So this upper end P lies on the parabola. So upper limit of this end find from the equation of parabola. So this is under root x here, because the given parabola is y square is equal to x. This is the given parabola, so we take square root, so y is equal to root x. Now we can see here this is xy and this is dx dy. I am changing the order of double integral. First we write dx, after that we write dy. Now in the region ACBA, you can see in this green strip, vertical strip LM, this point M moved from B to C. So this covers a distance along x-axis from 1 to 2. So this is 1 here, x is 1 and 2. You can see in the region ACBA, this vertical strip LM covers distance 1 to 2 from B to C. And the lower end of this strip M on the x-axis, so the limit of lower limit of y is 0 here, because this lower end of this LM strip on x-axis, so lower limit of y is 0 here, and the upper end L on the line x equal to 2 minus y. This is the line x equal to 2 minus y. So from here we can write y is equal to 2 minus x. So the upper limit is 2 minus x here. You can see here in this region ACBA, the lower end M on x-axis, so the lower limit of y is 0 here, and the upper end L on the line x equal to 2 minus y. So value of y is here 2 minus x. So the upper limit of this strip LM, when this goes from B to C, this lower end moves on the line y x equal to 2 minus y. So upper limit is y is equal to 2 minus x here. Now we solve this double integral. So you can see here this in the right hand side, this is the limit of y. So first we integrate with respect to y. So first we integrate here with respect to y. So integration of y is y square by 2 here, and the limit is 0 to root x dx. And here first we integrate with respect to y, so this is y square by 2 and 0 to 2 minus x dx. Now we substitute upper limit, then lower limit. So upper limit is here root x square, that is x, and lower limit is 0, so x minus 0 here, 1 to 2x by 2, and here 2 minus x whole square minus 0 dx. Now we can see here this is 1 by 2 x square dx, and here 1 to 2 1 by 2x, this is 4 plus x square minus 4x dx. Now taking 1 by 2 outside the integral sign and integration of x square, this is s cube by 3, so it becomes s cube by 6 and 0 to 1, and here 1 by 2 1 to 2, this is 4x plus x cube minus 4x square dx. Now we integrate the second. In the first integral, first we write here upper limit 1 cube, that is 1, lower limit 0 cube, that is 0, plus 1 by 2. Here the integration of 4x, that is x square by 2, so this is 2x square, x power 4 by 4 minus 4s cube by 3. Here this is 1 to 2. Now we substitute the lower limit here. Here this is 1 by 6 and plus 1 by 2. First we write here upper limit 2 square, that is 4, 4 into 2, 8 plus 2 to the power 4, this is 16 by 4, this is 4, and 2 cube 8, 8 4 is 32 upon 3. So this is 32 upon 3 minus 1 square, that is 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 4 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 4 by 3. Now we solve this. So 8 plus 4, this is 12 here, minus 32 by 3, minus 4 to the 8, 19 by 4, plus 4 by 3 here. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2, taking LCM here 12, so 12, 12, 1, 4, 4, minus 4 to the 8, 4, 3 is 12, minus 3, 9 is 27, plus 4, 4 is 16. Now 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2, 144 plus 16, 144, this is 160, minus 8, 7, 15, 5, 1 carry, 2, 2, 4, 1, 5, and 1 here upon 12. So this is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 into 5 by 12. So this is 1 by 6 plus 5 by 24. So this is 24, 6 4 is 24 plus 5, 5 4 9 upon 24, 3 3 is 9, 3 8 is 24. Thank you.